So today I'm back with another hair install for you guys, and today's wig is from Myfirstwig. So today I'm working with this brown highlight wig. It's a silky hair texture and it's a 20-inch wig as well. Like, I just really like how sleek this wig is looking. So this is the 13x6 lace front wig, and it comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached. You literally don't need to do any form of customization to the wig. It literally comes ready for you to install straight out of the box, which is what I've done today. So if you want to see how I installed this wig and also how I got it to lay so flat, because this wig is flat, okay? So if you want to see how I got this wig to lay so flat, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Okay, so let's get into this wig from Myfirstwig. So this is what the wig looks like. I've just applied my foundation to help the lace match my skin tone, and as you guys can see, the wig comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached as well, so you don't need to do any bleaching, you don't need to do any plucking, any sort of customization. When you get the wig, it's literally ready for you to install straight out of the box. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. So you literally want to make sure you can put your hair around your ears. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue down the wig. I feel like I don't really need to because the wig fits so snug. So it comes with an elastic band, comes with adjustable bands, and it comes with some combs on the inside of the wig. So literally everything you need to make this wig glueless comes with the wig, and everything has been done for you. It comes pre-plucked, comes pre-bleached, so there's literally nothing for you to do aside from just install the wig. But I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, and I'm gonna use my Ebin Lace Bond spray to glue down the wig today. I found a quick way for me to install my wigs, and it just makes a lot of sense. So I go ahead and spray the hairspray all over the hairline, and then I put on the melt band, leave that on for like 5 minutes, cut off the excess lace, and then repeat the same steps again, and literally within 10 minutes you've installed your wig. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now. The melt band that comes with the wig. Also, when you do this, always make sure to pull down the lace on the sides as well, just so it glues down, just so the sides stay down. Now I'm gonna cut off the lace. So now I'm going to repeat the same steps again, and then we can move on to styling the wig. Also, this is a 13x6 lace front wig. So you can see the lace goes all the way to the back there. And I've just extended the part as well because I feel like the longer your part is, the more natural the wig looks as well. No, I'm just going to take my comb and just comb out the front. So this is what the lace looks like. I'm done laying down the wig and this looks so flat. Like, I love how this is looking. It looks extremely flat. So the last thing I'm going to do when it comes to the lace is I'm just going to go back in with the brush that I used to apply my foundation on the lace and just basically go all around the hairline once again. Guys, the craziest thing is that this is not even the HD lace and it looks this good. Looks so seamless. Guys, this is literally the best straighteners, hands down, I can't lie, or the best straighteners that I've ever had for ever used, because it gets the job done like that. I don't have to do too much. I can literally straighten my hair within minutes and I'm out the door. So here is the finished look. Honestly, I'm so in love with this wig right now. I really like the highlights as well. I love how the hair feels. It feels really, really soft and really good. Like, you can just tell this is good quality hair. So the length I have is 20 inches. So this is a 20-inch wig, and this is the brown highlight wig. So it's a silky hair texture. I don't know what density this is, but I'm really, really liking this density because I feel like it just looks so natural and it looks really, really good as well. Also, when it comes to their lace, this is their new Air lace. So it's not HD lace, but I just like the fact that although it's not HD, it still looks very seamless. The hairline came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached. The wig literally came ready for you to install straight out of the box. And the wig can be worn glueless as well because it comes with elastic band, comes with combs, and it comes with an adjustable strap inside of the wig. I love this install and I love how flat it looks as well. It just makes it look even more natural as well. So yeah guys, so I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.